The Ferrari California is a grand touring, high-performance, hardtop convertible sports car. The California's new design by Pininfarina was developed under the oversight of Ken Okuyama. The car's grand touring personality was emphasized with a slightly higher ride height compared to other more aggressive models. In February of 2012, Ferrari announced the California 30 as a 2013 model in North America, an updated model that was lighter and more powerful compared to the 2009 to 2011 California. The chassis was re-engineered with structural modifications including new materials and aerospace-derived construction technologies. 19-inch alloy wheels are standard, with 20s optional. Behind them, carbon ceramic brakes measure a massive 15.4 inches to the front and 14.2 inches to the rear. Making our way to the engine, the Ferrari California's naturally aspirated 4.3-liter V8 engine produces 483 horsepower at 7,750 RPM and 372 pound-feet of torque at 5,000 RPMs. It also features a 7-speed dual-clutch automated manual gearbox. The California will launch from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. The convertible top takes up 3.5 cubic feet of the trunk's 12 cubic foot capacity. The California steering wheel includes press-button start and a switch that sets transmission response, optional adaptive suspension, climate switches, and stability system intervention. The gauge cluster has a yellow tachometer with the speedometer off to the side, and screen on the left includes a red rev range light to the rim of the steering wheel. It may not be a Ferrari 458 Italia or its more aggressive models, but it drives like one, and it's one of the cheapest Ferraris at that. You will definitely have a blast driving a California, as it will put a smile on your face. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on the Ferrari California. It is honestly a great Ferrari. I think it's truly a fun car. And at the end of the day, it's a Ferrari. But anyways, that'll be all for today, and stay tuned for more automotive and Ferrari content overall. Thank you all for the support, and see you next time.